It's no exaggeration to say that drones have changed the way we view the world. Some of the best drones on the market are from the dominating DJI. But in this video, we will show you some of the best DJI alternative drones you can buy. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Parrot ANAFI. Parrot, a company mostly known for drones tailored to kids or beginner pilots on the other hand, is still around. The new $699.99 ANAFI is the company's direct answer to DJI's recent Mavic Air and is a compact, capable drone that promises to capture stunning aerial footage in 4K. It also introduces a few features you can't find on other drones today. The most important feature of any drone designed for videographers is the image quality. This is where ANAFI shines. Its 4K 100 megabits per second bitrate footage looks great and is just as good as the footage from the Mavic Air. Unlike the Mavic Air, however, ANAFI's built-in HDR video option. Ability to shoot HDR is one of the standout features that you can't find on any other drone in this price range. HDR promises to provide a better image by balancing the exposure between bright and dark areas better, something that is a challenge when shooting a skyline or horizon with a drone. This drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that optimizes its life and charges 60% faster using the power delivery USB Type-C charger, and operating temperature range is -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Equipped with a Parrot Sky Controller 3 folding remote control, the ANAFI Parrot drone can be located at any time thanks to the activation of your smartphone's vibrator when attention or immediate action is needed, as well as the geofence, smart RTH, and Find My Drone functions. The ANAFI's ability to zoom in without losing image quality is its third standout feature. While filming in 4K, you can zoom up to 1.4 times, and if you're filming in 1080p, it goes up to 2.8 times without losing detail. Even though I can do similar things in post-processing by shooting in 4K and scaling down to 1080p. EVO. Using dual cameras at the front and bottom plus downward-facing ultrasonic sensors and rearward IR sensors, the EVO knows to avoid obstacles and can reroute based on built-in 3D mapping technology. Take the EVO for a flight and capture dynamic footage of moving subjects or fly it over epic vistas with ease. Compatible with both iOS and Android operating systems, the free Autel Explorer app provides a 1080p live view, flight telemetry access to advanced settings, and intelligent flight modes. EVO's powerful camera is the choice pick for award-winning cinematographers and photographers, boasting 60 frames per second for buttery smooth 4K resolution footable. It records faster, smoother, and cleaner than any other compact foldable drone. The built-in gimbal camera can record 12 megapixel RAW or JPEG photos or 4K video up to 60 FPS in the H.264 or H.265 format to the included microSD card. Since the camera is balanced on a motorized 3-axis gimbal, videos will have a smooth, professional look to them, and the camera can be remotely controlled to point wherever you need it. You can take your EVO with you anywhere. You are ensured a safe and crash-free flight with our dual GPS GLONASS satellite positioning and advanced computer vision systems. You can even access live HD footage while flying your EVO via the free Autel Explorer app. The included remote controller can direct the EVO from up to 4.4 miles away and has a built-in 3.3-inch 720p OLED display for monitoring video. If you attach your Android or iOS smartphone running the free Autel Explorer app, you can take control of the EVO's advanced functionality and intelligence to automatically follow subjects and orchestrate flight patterns. Customer service is available 7 days a week and waiting to assist you at your every need. Skydio 2. How many people would buy flying cameras, aka drones, if they didn't have to fear every twig on every tree in the world? How much more could you do with a drone that doesn't crash into obstacles? These aren't just rhetorical questions. The $999 Skydio 2 is that drone. Where one wrong move will send most drones to their doom, Skydio's self-flying system uses AI to duck under canopies and swoop around branches with finesse all by itself. The results have to be seen to be believed. People who've never flown a drone in their lives can fly this drone. With the optional $149 Skydio controller, you can easily point the Skydio's 4K 60 HDR camera wherever you would like in the sky, just like a normal drone. It will blow your mind that a drone can do any of these things at all, much less for nearly 20 minutes on a charge. Utilizing 45 megapixels of visual sensing from 6 200-degree color cameras, Skydio 2 can see everything in every direction with unprecedented resolution and clarity. Hubsan Zino. 4K camera drone with an amazing 3-axis gimbal, altitude hold, GPS, great stability, and footage for under $400 is great. The Hubsan Zino offers a 4K camera on a 3-axis stabilized rotating gimbal, flight time similar to the DJI Mavic Air, a bunch of flight modes that most of us have come to expect of a drone, and 4K connectivity. One of the best features is the ability to remove the camera lens and install new lenses with ND filters built in. The drone can be kept up in the air up to 23 minutes, operated using the included controller. A companion iOS Android app enables you to monitor the image on your phone as well as set up various functions, such as image tracking. Your smartphone can be inserted in a dedicated slot on the controller so the two work as one unit. Phones up to 3.2 inches wide are supported. Through the controller, you can perform a variety of flight modes and functions with the Zino. You can take 360-degree panoramic videos, follow a specific subject, follow a custom flight plan, and more. Thanks to built-in GPS, you can fly the Zino stress-free, as multiple fail-safes and a return-to-home function helps to keep the Zino safe. With a folding arm and blade design, the Zino is compact and can be taken almost anywhere you want to capture jaw-dropping aerial photos and video. Built-in 3800 mAh smart lithium battery, accurate battery power monitoring to ensure the flight safety. Ultra-long flight time to avoid spoiling your pleasure when the battery suddenly runs out during shooting. The camera gimbal provides stabilization on the pitch, roll, and yaw axis, ensuring smooth video capture as you travel the skies. Typhoon H+. The Typhoon H+ from YUNEEC provides first-class image quality, outstanding reliability, and automatic flight modes that all photographers and videographers dream of. Typhoon H+ is equipped with a 1-inch 4K camera, a PX4-based flight controller, and flight modes including Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Curved Cable Cam. All the key internal components of the Typhoon H+ now have improved protection against electrical influences, and, along with the PX4 controller and 6-rotor design, ensure maximum reliability. For maximum security, the no-fly zone function makes it impossible to fly drones near commercial airports. The geofence can also form a user-defined virtual barrier that prevents the Typhoon H+ from flying outside of a desired area. In the case of a motor or rotor failure, the Typhoon H+ automatically switches from 6 to 5 motors, an important feature that distinguishes it from a quadcopter. The redundant control signal provides another important security feature. Should the copter lose the 2.4 GHz signal, it can now be easily controlled via the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi signal. A quick release mechanism lets you fit the propellers quickly and easily, after which the H+ is ready for use right away. The rotor arms of the Typhoon H+ can also be folded away to facilitate transportation. The complete system and its accessories can be transported in a hand luggage-sized backpack or in a protective case, both of which are optionally available. The 2 batteries included in the standard kit are changeable and rechargeable. Each provides a good 25 minutes of flight time per charge. The C23 wide-angle camera is included with the Typhoon H+ as standard and delivers high-quality photographs and videos from the air. The 1-inch CMOS sensor takes still images up to 20 megapixels and captures video up to 4K at 60 frames per second, and also has improved low-light performance as well as an increased dynamic range. The integrated 3-axis gimbal can be rotated 360 degrees limitlessly, just like the other cameras from the Typhoon series. The Typhoon H+ has been optimally configured for transport so that you can take it with you on any journey. The quick locking system makes mounting and dismounting the propellers quick and easy, and there is no need for a screwdriver. What's more, each of the 6 rotor arms are foldable, transforming the Typhoon H+ into a practical size that fits easily into a suitable rucksack.